Hi everyone! Once again, this is Sir Tommy na laging happy at busog ang Tommy for some freelancing tips. Paano ba magpa-interview para sa work from home? Siguraduhin mo na naiintindihan mo yung job description kagaya ng sinabi ko nung isa kong video. Kasi importante talaga na nakakita nila na pinaghandaan mo yung interview. Siguraduhin mo na nabasa mo yung job description. Tapos, siguraduhin mo din na ready yung camera mo, maayos siya, malinaw, at may tamang ilaw, okay? Tapos yung microphone mo nag-work ba? Kasi baliwala ang pinaghandaan mo, syempre, kung hindi niyo marinig ang isa't isa. And then, ipakita mo na maayos ang internet mo by having a backup internet connection. Tapos, yung computer mo, siguraduhin mong naka-charge, of course. Tapos, focus on the camera para yung sincerity maramdaman ng kausap mo. And make sure the sound of your voice, hindi siya scripted, hindi ka naman sumisigaw, at sounding enthusiastic. Wag naman monotonous or iisa lang yung tono mo all throughout. Hindi mo kailangan maging foreigner sounding. Okay? Kailangan lang naiintindihan mo yung sinasabi mo. You have clear, concise, maayos yung pagkaka-deliver mo and professional pakinggan.